On this video, we're going to go ahead and create our first virtual machine. For that, we need to start our VirtualBox that we downloaded last time. So when I come here on VirtualBox, I need to press on New. On New, I need to give a name of my machine. Let's call it 1. So since this one is going to be our first machine, we're going to give the name 1. And down here, we say that we are trying to create a type Linux. And version, here we are looking for version Red Hat 8. Right. So as we press next, we press next, finish. So I need to come here now on settings because I'm trying to add my operating system, which is Rocky. I'm going to click on settings. I need to go on system first, and then where you see a PS2 mouse, close down, and I use to select USB tablet. And then I come here where it says storage, click on storage, click here where it says empty, I will click on empty. Come here where I see this little circle, click on that. I go where it says choose a disk file, I will click on that. And here I'm going to select Rocky. So you need to be inside download, and it's going to be Rocky, and then you press open. As you press open, now you will see that this one has changed to Rocky 8.7, and then you press OK. Now you press start. So it's going to go ahead and starting creating your virtual machine for yourself. So at this point, I'm going to press my up arrow key on my keyboard, and I will press enter. So sometimes you're going to get an error over here. If it happened that it fell, as you see here, it says kernel panic, no sync, fatal exception. You need to go ahead and close it. Make sure you come down here where it says power off the machine, and then you press OK. So after you power off the machine, go back here on settings. Here, go back here on system where it says processor. You click on processor. Here you say processor is on 1. You need to bring it to 2. So you put processor here to 2, and then you press OK, and then you go back, you press star again. So it's going to bring back that terminal again. We're going to press again our up arrow to try to put it on install Rocky 8, and I'm pressing enter. And it's going to go ahead and start installing our first virtual machine. So what we need to do next, when the screen gonna come, we're gonna do some basic configuration from which we should be able to use to log in and start doing the configuration on our machine. So at this point, I need to select the language, which I press continue because it's in English. I press continue. And then everywhere that you see the color red, you need to remove it. So here I'm going to click. And as I'm clicking here, it's already select this one. I just need to click done to finish. Here that I'm seeing this red, I need to click on that. And I'm going to give a password. Here the purpose is to give a very easy password. So I'm giving a password. I'm going to go on the next step. and give a password as well. And when I give my password, I need to press done twice to move to this next step. Down here now, I need to give a user also, and I give the name Rocky. I need to select where it says make this an administrator, and I need to give a easy password as well. And then I press done twice. When everything red is gone away, I can now do begin installation. So the installation is going to take a minute, maybe about like 5 minutes or 10 minutes to do the full installation. So you need to be a little patient, and your machine gonna be up and ready to be used. I do not know why it doesn't want to click on restart, but I'm gonna shut it down. As I shut it down, I need to bring it back up again. And also, one thing that I forget to mention, I'm gonna close it again. Let me close it. One thing that I forgot to mention is that sometimes the machine would not remove the disk automatically, so you need to go back on setting, storage, and here you see it didn't remove the disk. So I need to right click on it, and I will press remove attachment, and I'm removing attachment. If not, if I have not removed, it would have start installation again over. So I press OK, and here now let bring the machine back up. So here is our machine that we have created and is putting up right now at the moment normally. So we need to go ahead and log in right now. So it's asked us to log in. We're going to log in as user root, and the password is the password that we put in when it was created. So, and I ask you guys to put a very easy password. As I'm pressing enter, now you see that I'm logging into that machine. You can start, if you want to make it bigger so that it will take the entire screen, you need to come here on view, and then you go down where it says select scale mode. You press on scale mode, say yes, you want to switch, and now you can make it big. It's going to take your entire screen. And here we can type some basic command right now. The first command, I would like to clean my screen. I can use the command called clear, and everything gonna go away. We can type date. Date is gonna tell me what date is today already. I can type a PWD, which stands for present working directory, which is a basic command. If I want to see who is logged in, I can do a who am I. Who am I is going to tell me that I'm root. If I want to see all the people that are connected on our machine, I can do a W. W will say that you have one person here that is connected, and it's even giving you the time that he has connected. I can do a call if I want to see the calendar, that is being displayed. If I want to see things, I would use the ls command and be like, show me everything that you have. maybe I will do ls on slash, it will show me a bunch of things, or I will do ll on slash, which is going to show me that same thing with some more information into it. But for example, if I want to go inside of one of these files, like maybe the dev one, we use the cd, which stand for change directory. And here I will say I want to go inside a dev. Here, if I do a pwd to say where am I on my machine right now at the moment, it's telling me that I'm on the dev. If I do ll to see what are the things that I have on the dev, is give me a bunch of things over here right now. You know, I can do cd to get it out of it. cd, now I want to go inside etc, and I can do ll to see I have a bunch of things here. I can do cd again to go inside ssh. You know, pwd will show me where I am. So these are some basic commands that you can start playing around on your first machine that you have created, you know, and can type some small command like date, calendar to see everything that you have around and start having fun. So create your machine, enjoy it, and see you on a next video for some other